Look at that majestic tree standing against the horizon. Oh dear, the wind is picking up. It looks like a real storm is rolling in.
Whoa, down it goes! Maybe it just wanted to take a very long nap in the grass.
Not quite silly. Nature has its ways, but now our construction friends have a new project. The blue truck, orange bulldozer, and pink crane are gathering to plan.
I bet they're planning to build a giant slide for squirrels.
They have much more important work today. See how the crane and the bulldozer move in?
Okay.
They need to clear that fallen tree before they can break ground. Watch closely now. The crane uses its powerful arm to lift the heavy timber, while the bulldozer stands by, ready to assist with the debris. With great precision, the crane carries the tree away to a new spot. It is amazing how efficiently they work together to restore order to the site. Now that the site is clear, the bulldozer takes the lead. It digs deep into the earth to create a solid foundation for the new structure. Look at how smooth the ground is becoming. The bulldozer is a true master of leveling. Everything is perfectly flat and ready for the next phase. Here comes the blue truck carrying the building materials. It has arrived just in time to deliver the logs for our new house. As the truck unloads, something magical happens. The wood pieces begin to assemble themselves as if by invisible hands, rising up into a beautiful home. And just like that, the house is complete. What a wonderful display of teamwork and transformation. It has been a truly productive day for everyone involved. Look up! That giant transport plane is carrying something truly massive across the ocean toward our island.
I bet it's a giant crate full of beach balls and tropical smoothies. Or maybe a portable marshmallow factory.
Not quite. Silly. That is heavy-duty construction equipment arriving to help us build something truly magnificent. The doors are swinging open now. Let's see what kind of mechanical marvels are hiding inside.
Wow, look at that excavator go! It's moving those boulders like they're made of nothing but soft, fluffy pillows.
Precision is key here. That loader is carefully clearing the path to ensure the foundation remains perfectly level. Heavy stone to prepare the site for the next phase of construction.
I'm starting to think they're clearing space for something much bigger than a marshmallow factory, aren't they?
The concrete mixer. This is the moment the structure finally begins to take its permanent, solid form. It's pouring steady streams of concrete into the foundation. It's like watching a giant stone puzzle come to life. Behold the finished masterpiece! A magnificent stone castle standing proud against the night sky. Truly triumphant end to our construction adventure. Look closely at that massive crane, everyone. It stands like a giant over the city, waiting for the perfect moment to begin its work.
Is it going to play a giant game of tetherball? That ball looks like it could knock over a mountain if it wanted to.
Not quite, my friend. That is a wrecking ball, a powerful tool designed to systematically dismantle structures that have reached the end of their life. Watch how the concrete gives way. With every rhythmic strike, the old building surrenders, crumbling down into a heap of rubble.
It's like watching a giant puzzle being taken apart piece by piece, only much louder and dustier.
Indeed. But the work is far from finished. Precision is key here. The crane must shift its position to clear the remaining debris effectively.
Now the cleanup crew arrives. Look at that excavator moving in. It's like a hungry metal dinosaur ready to scoop up the past.
Precisely. The excavator works in perfect tandem with the dump truck, ensuring that every piece of concrete is cleared away to make room for something new. It is fascinating to see how quickly a messy site becomes a clean, blank slate for the future.
The truck is full and rolling out. It's carrying away the history of that building to make space for a fresh start.
And look, it returns returns almost immediately. But this time, it is laden with fresh bricks, and steel beams for the new construction.
It's the circle of construction. One building goes down, and a stronger one rises to take its place.
And there it is, a testament to human ingenuity. From the dust of the old, a beautiful new structure stands tall, ready for its next chapter. Welcome to the site, everyone. Look at those mighty machines resting before a big day of building.
The little blue truck is checking out those new houses. I bet he's looking for a place to park his snacks.
Actually, he looks quite worried, doesn't he? Something seems to be missing from his plans today.
Whoa! Check out that giant golden sphere! Is it a ball for a giant or a new decoration?
That is a very unusual object to find on a construction site. Why is the crane hovering over the blue house? It looks like the house is asking the same thing. That crane is positioning the sphere right over the roof. Oh no! The golden sphere just crashed right through the roof. That house is completely flattened.
I told you that was a bad idea. Look at the blue truck. He is absolutely furious about this mess.
He is right to be upset. You simply cannot drop heavy golden spheres onto perfectly good homes. At least they are working together now to clean up the wreckage. Teamwork makes the dream work. That crane is quite strong, lifting all that debris and dropping it right into the dump truck's bed. Slowly but surely, they are clearing the path. It takes patience to fix a mistake this big. The ground is finally clear. Now, they can focus on starting over and doing it the right way. Working together, they are bringing fresh materials to the site. It is a fresh start for everyone.
Look at that magic hammer. It's fixing the house in a blink of an eye. What a spectacular recovery.
They did it! A beautiful house stands once again. And look at that mighty train chugging past the construction site. It's a busy day for our mechanical friends.
Wait a second. Is that blue truck trying to race the train? I bet it thinks it can beat the locomotive.
Oh dear, looks like our blue friend took a tumble. That is quite a concerning sight. Don't worry, here comes a hero. The pink crane is arriving to save the day with its long, strong arm.
They are coordinating perfectly. It is like they have a secret construction language.
Teamwork makes the dream work. The crane and the yellow dump truck are clearing away the materials efficiently. The dump truck is so industrious, hauling heavy loads back and forth across the site without a single complaint. Now, the blue truck is being much more careful, waiting patiently for the train to pass by safely. Look at them celebrate! With the work done and holiday lights shining, our vehicle friends have truly earned this festive rest. What a wonderful day on the site! Look at these magnificent pine trees, standing tall and peaceful under the sun.
Wait, everything is changing. The sky is turning dark, and Hua, was that lightning? I think the trees are having a bad day.
Nature can be fierce, but humans are always ready to help when trouble strikes. Look at these heavy-duty machines, waiting to spring into action.
Is that a giant robot claw? It looks like a construction tool, but it's actually an excavator. Get ready, Richard, for a big job.
Right! It moves with such precision. Every piece of equipment here has a vital role in protecting our environment.
They're rolling out. It's like a parade of heroes heading straight toward the danger to save the day.
Truck arrives just in time, unleashing a powerful stream of water to tame the flames and protect the forest floor. Check out that team effort. While the fire is being managed, the excavator is clearing away debris, making sure the forest stays safe and orderly. Steady as they go. Everything is moving in perfect harmony to restore balance to this beautiful woodland. It's incredible how quickly things can recover when we work together. Nature is resilient, and with a little help, it will be thriving again in no time. Thanks for joining us on this mission today. Welcome to our beautiful, sun-drenched farm. Look at how the windmills turn in the gentle breeze.
Check out that bright red tractor. It is definitely heading to a tractor party, right?
Not quite, little friend. That tractor is working hard, maneuvering steadily around the bend to reach the fields. And here comes a blue pickup truck, cruising along the path like it owns the road.
Oh no, they are getting too close. Look, the tractor just tipped over in the surprise collision.
Don't worry, help is on the way. See that yellow excavator emerging from the barn? It's coming to save the day. That big machine is moving with such determination. It knows exactly how to help its friend get back on track. Watch the mechanical arm lift the tractor. It is a perfect display of teamwork and strength in action. They did it! The tractor is upright again. It is truly wonderful to see friends helping friends get back to work. Until next time, keep exploring! Welcome to the farm, everyone! Look at that beautiful day! It is the perfect time for the harvest to begin.
Check out that green tractor. I bet it's actually a giant lawnmower trying to shave the whole field at once.
Not quite silly. That is a baler. It gathers the dried grass and packs it tightly into those neat round shapes we see. It is like a magical machine that turns messy hay into giant, perfect circles of snacks for the animals. Look at the tractor go! He has finished his big job for the morning and is heading back to the barn.
Wait, is that a giant orange robot waiting by the barn? It looks like it is ready for a dance battle.
That is a telehandler, and it is much too busy for dancing today. It has heavy lifting to do today. Watch how carefully it maneuvers. Those long arms reach out to scoop up the heavy hay bales with such precision. It is incredible to see how much strength those machines have. They make the hard work look so simple. The telehandler and the red tractor are working together like a perfectly synchronized team to load the trailer.
Teamwork makes the dream work. Everything is stacked safely and ready to move.
And there they go, heading through the orchard. Another successful day on the farm is in the books. Thanks for joining us. Look at that blue truck rolling through the countryside. It's a peaceful day for a road trip, isn't it?
I bet that cow is driving the truck. Wait, cows can't drive, can they?
Oh, Barnaby, you are such a joker. The farmer is just bringing her home to the barn. The sun dips below the horizon, and a mysterious silence settles over the farm as night falls. Under the moonlight, our bovine friend finds a snack. The pigs are sleeping soundly nearby.
Wait, do you see that glow in the sky? Is that a giant firefly or something much stranger?
That is no firefly, Barnaby. A strange vessel is descending, bathing the farm in an eerie, otherworldly light.
Goodness! The tractor beam is pulling the cow right off the ground. She's floating into the stars.
It seems the visitor is curious about our machinery, too. It's lifting the tractor as if it were a toy. Everything returns to its place, and the cow goes back to her dinner as if nothing happened. What an incredible night on the farm! Good night, everyone! Look at that heavy-duty red truck moving through the city. It carries steel beams to help build our growing skyline.
Hey, that's a concrete mixer. I bet it's delivering giant scoop ice cream to the construction workers.
Actually, it mixes concrete, not ice cream. But wait! Look! Something is wrong at the building site. Oh no! A fire! Here comes the hero of the city, sirens wailing and lights flashing, rushing to save the day. The firefighters are professionals. See how quickly they connect the hoses? Water blasts out to cool the heat instantly. They aren't stopping for a second. It takes immense pressure to push that much water up against the flames. Persistence is key here. Every drop of water makes the building safer. They really know how to handle an emergency. The danger has passed, and the heroes head home. It is truly inspiring to see them keep our city safe every single day. See you next time! Look at those magnificent machines waking up in the golden desert sun.
I bet that yellow loader is going to race across the sand like a desert beetle.
Actually, it has a much more important job, racing. It is starting the construction project. Watch closely as the loader digs in. It is moving mountains of sand to prepare our site.
So precise. I could watch those big scoops move all day long.
Now the red excavator takes over, digging deep into the earth to create a perfect foundation.
hunting for buried treasure, because I would definitely be looking for gold.
Not quite, but it is creating something just as valuable. A space for a beautiful new oasis. Here comes the blue cement truck, rumbling in to solidify the work we have started. That thick gray concrete is filling the space perfectly. It is becoming a solid base now. Look at the blue excavator carefully placing those palm trees. It is turning this desert into a garden. Everything is coming together so nicely. The water is sparkling, and the trees look right at home. What a transformation! From a sandy desert to a thriving oasis, our work here is complete. Great job, everyone! Welcome to the bustling heart of our city, where the rhythm of traffic never truly sleeps.
Look at that little red truck. Is he going to the grocery store, Sarah?
Actually, he is a tow truck, and he looks like he's heading toward the Sunshine Cement base. Wait, he's stopping!
Oh no!
Oh no, he spotted something quite dangerous on the
while
road.
driving. That was so dangerous.
The light turns green, but he can't move yet, can he?
He must alert the others, weaving through the busy afternoon traffic to find help.
Traffic is really picking up speed as that blue semi-truck rolls through.
I wonder if the cement
what's
truck
going on.
and the excavator
It's so
have
noisy,
noticed the
Maxie.
trouble ahead.
I'm not sure either. Let's go check it out.
They are arriving at the site now, ready to investigate the situation. Our red
tow truck.
friend
What happened
explains that a
here?
fallen billboard,
A billboard
has
fell
blocked
down and
the
damaged
path.
the whole road. Please help me fix the road!
Look at that powerful claw clearing the debris. That is some impressive teamwork.
With the debris gone, the road is finally ready for the final repairs.
Leave the rest to me, Rusty.
The cement truck pours a fresh surface, smoothing out the cracks perfectly. Everything is back in motion, proving that when we work together, we keep the world moving smoothly. Look at these vibrant friends, bursting into life right before our eyes in this whimsical, comic layout.
Are they superheroes? I bet the sun character is actually a secret agent in disguise.
Not quite silly. They're just having a bit of surreal fun in the meadow before vanishing into thin air.
Oh wow, check out these metallic newcomers joining the party. Are those robots trying to learn how to dance?
It seems everyone has gathered for a grand celebration. What a wonderful way to bring all these unique personalities together for a final, joyful goodbye. Oh dear, look at that poor cement mixer. It has taken a wrong turn and is completely stuck in the mud.
Maybe it just wanted a bath. You know, like a big yellow rolling bathtub?
Not quite silly. It is a working vehicle, and it needs to get back to the construction site. Thankfully, the excavator is here to help. With a mighty pull, the excavator frees the mixer from the muddy grip of the water.
Teamwork makes the dream work. The forklift is right there to help guide it back to solid ground.
Exactly. It is all about coordination. Now that everyone is back in their proper place, the site is humming with activity again. Here comes the heavy lifter. That dump truck is ready to unload a massive pile of materials for the builders.
I bet that's a giant mountain of dirt for a new foundation. Look at it go!
And with the workday winding down, the dump truck heads out, leaving the site ready for another productive day tomorrow. What a great team effort! Look at this quiet construction site. It is time to build a path for the mighty steam train.
The orange excavator is getting ready to snack on that big rock wall. I bet it eats it all in one bite.
Actually, it is not eating, but drilling. It uses power and precision to break through the stone, creating a tunnel. Look at all that rubble moving away. It is clearing the path so we can see what is behind the wall.
Wow, the entrance is clear. It is like opening a secret door through the mountain.
The blue tractor is doing a wonderful job sweeping the floor. Everything must be perfectly clean for the tracks.
He is finished. That little tractor is super fast and very efficient.
Teamwork makes the dream work. They are loading all the debris into the dump truck to be hauled away. Now the materials are arriving. Here comes the steel for our railway tracks. The cement mixer is pouring concrete to make the tunnel walls strong and safe for the train.
More tracks are arriving. We are almost ready for the big moment.
Listen to that whistle. The steam train glides through the new tunnel, a true triumph of engineering and hard work. Great job, everyone! Welcome to the site, everyone! Look at these mighty machines resting by the coast. Today, we're building something truly special.
Is that giant robot going to eat the bamboo? I bet it's hungry for a giant snack.
Not quite, my friend. That is an excavator using a precision saw to harvest bamboo, which is a very strong and sustainable building material. Watch how steady it works. It creates a perfect rhythm, turning raw stalks into organized piles ready for construction.
Here comes the big red dump truck. It's time to haul all those logs away to the building zone.
The site is clear now. See how they lay the bamboo poles down? That's the foundation for our house. It's coming together fast. The floor and railing are already taking shape under the bright sun. Up go the walls. It's like watching a giant puzzle being solved right before our eyes. Look at that roof frame go up. It's heavy work, but everything fits perfectly into place. With the thatch roof complete, our beautiful bamboo home stands finished. What a Welcome to the farm, where the morning sun warms the earth, and the cycle of life begins anew with our trusty red tractor.
Look at it go! Is that a giant lawnmower, or is it just having a really fun time playing in the dirt?
Not quite, my friend. That is a plow turning the soil to prepare a perfect bed for our seeds to grow strong and healthy. And now, the magic happens. Behold these beautiful, crisp red radishes ready for the harvest.
Wow, that massive green machine is like a hungry dragon gulping up all those tasty radishes in one big bite. It
is actually a combine harvester designed to collect the crop with incredible efficiency while keeping the farm running smoothly. Even the cows seem fascinated by the work, watching intently as the field transforms under the steady hum of the harvester. Loader delivers a fresh feast for the pigs. They certainly look happy to see their lunch arrive.
I bet they are. It is truly amazing to see how the hard work on the farm feeds everyone. What a wonderful day to be a pig.
Indeed, nature and machinery work in harmony to sustain us all. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of... Look at that industrious yellow loader, moving heavy pipes with ease under the warm sun.
Oh no! Did you see that? One of its giant tires just rolled right off. Maybe it wanted to go for a walk by itself?
Actually, that is a mechanical failure, not a choice. A machine that heavy needs all its wheels to stay balanced and safe.
Here comes a red police car. It looks like it is ready to give the loader a very serious speeding ticket for losing a wheel.
Not a ticket, but a helping hand. The officer is securing the area and calling for a tow truck to assist the stranded machine.
The tow truck has arrived. It is like a giant metal superhero showing up to save the day for our wobbly friend.
Precision is key here. The tow truck driver carefully attaches the hooks to ensure the loader is stable for the journey ahead. Up it goes! The loader is lifted off the ground, starting its slow, steady trip toward the garage.
It is moving so smoothly now. I bet the loader is feeling much better with a professional giving it a lift.
They have reached the garage. This is where the magic happens, and the mechanics will get the loader back in working order. The engine is purring, and the loader is ready to return to the construction site. Yay! It is proof that even when things go wrong, a little teamwork and professional care can get you back on the road to success. Great job today, everyone!
Oh my God!
giant space disco ball? I think it wants to dance, but it's making a huge mess down there.
It's not a disco, silly. It's time for a rebuild. See those machines? The yellow excavator and orange dump truck are working hard to clear the debris. They are like a powerful team. The excavator has a giant claw to scoop up all those heavy concrete blocks.
I bet that excavator is the strongest athlete on the team. Look at it carefully, place those heavy pillars.
Precision is key. The excavator moves with such steady, rhythmic grace, ensuring every piece fits perfectly into the truck's bed. With the final pillar set, the structure begins to take shape. The hard work is really paying off now. Here comes the concrete mixer. It's ready to pour the foundation for the new city building. It's like the final piece of the puzzle. Amazing! From the chaos of the crash to this beautiful new beginning, teamwork truly builds the future.
See you next time.
Oh dear, it looks like our green cement mixer friend has found a bit of trouble on the job site today.
I bet he's just taking a quick nap. Maybe he's waiting for a snack break while the excavator does all the heavy lifting.
Not quite, silly. They are working hard to clear the path so our team can finish the road repair safely. Look at that concrete pour. The team is perfectly in sync, filling the gap with precision and care.
Wow, they are really fast. They must be professional road builders from the big city.
Wait, look toward the barn. Something is terribly wrong. Smoke is rising and the building is catching fire.
Don't worry, everyone. Here comes the hero in red. The fire truck is racing to the rescue with sirens blaring.
That is exactly what we need. Every second counts when there is an emergency like this. The fire truck is positioning its nozzle now, while the other vehicles clear the debris to make a wider path for safety.
They are working like a well-oiled machine. Teamwork really does make the dream work, even in a crisis.
Now they are maneuvering a large metal pipe toward the flames. This will help direct the water exactly where it needs to go. The water is flowing through the pipe now. It is spraying directly into the heart of the fire to cool things down.
They did it! The flames are shrinking. Those brave trucks really saved the day with their clever planning.
The danger has passed, and our construction crew can finally rest. What a fantastic example of bravery and cooperation. Welcome to the desert, where the sun shines bright on these heavy machines waiting for their big day.
Are they going to race? I bet the yellow truck is the fastest one there, right?
Not quite, my friend. These machines aren't here for racing. They have a very important job to do in the sand. Watch closely as the excavator digs deep into the ground. It is preparing the earth for something special.
Oh, I see it now. It's got a special claw. It's like a giant mechanical gardener.
Exactly. It uses that claw with such precision to lift the tree from the truck bed without hurting it. They are working as a perfect team, one digging while the other plants. It is quite a rhythmic dance.
See how it smooths the sand to make everything look neat and tidy. So professional.
The project is moving along beautifully. More trees are arriving to transform this desert landscape. Each tree is placed with care into its new home, giving life to this dry, ancient place.
It never stops, does it? Just dig, lift, plant, and repeat. Those machines have endless energy.
Persistence is key when you are building a greener future, one hole at a time. What a wonderful day of work. The desert feels a little more vibrant now. Great job, team.